Have you ever woken up from a dream that was so vivid, so real that it seemed like a message from the other side of the world? There is this belief that your dreams are not just random images, but a secret map of your subconscious mind. In today's video, we'll uncover the deep wisdom hidden in your dreams and learn how they can guide your life. Stay tuned to the end, and you'll discover practical ways to use your dreams to unlock your true potential and take your destiny into your own hands. Dreams have fascinated humanity for centuries. In ancient cultures, dreams were seen as messages from the gods, omens, or glimpses into the future. Modern psychology, pioneered by figures like Carl Jung, reveals that dreams are the language of our subconscious. They reflect our fears, desires, and unresolved emotions. But beyond psychological interpretations, dreams hold transformative power. They can be a guiding light, showing you the path to inner peace, success, and happiness. Let's begin with a simple truth. Every dream has a meaning. Even the ones that seem nonsensical or chaotic carry fragments of wisdom. For instance, recurring dreams often signal unresolved issues in our waking life. Have you ever dreamt of falling? This might represent a lack of control or insecurity in a particular area of your life. Identifying these patterns is the first step to understanding what your mind is trying to tell you. Take the story of Anna, a young artist who dreamt of wandering through a dark forest, unable to find her way out. She felt trapped in her career and personal life. By analyzing her dream, she realized that the forest symbolized her fear of failure and the unknown. With this understanding, Anna decided to take a leap of faith, trying a new art style she had been hesitant about. The results were extraordinary. Her work gained recognition, and she felt a renewed sense of purpose. Now, how can you start deciphering your own dreams? The first step is to keep a dream journal. Place it by your bedside and write down every detail you can remember as soon as you wake up. Don't worry if it seems unclear or fragmented. Over time, patterns will emerge. For example, you might notice recurring symbols, like water, which often represents emotions, or doors, which symbolize opportunities. Another key to unlocking the wisdom of your dreams is to meditate before sleeping. Meditation helps quiet the mind, making it easier for your subconscious to communicate. Try a simple breathing exercise. Inhale deeply for a count of 3, or hold for 4 and exhale for 4. As you drift off, set an intention, such as, I want to understand my next step in life. This practice invites your mind to offer insights through dreams. Have you heard of lucid dreaming? This is the ability to become aware that you are dreaming while still in the dream state. It's like having a conversation with your subconscious. By practicing techniques like reality checks during the day, asking yourself, am I dreaming? And observing your environment, you can train your mind to recognize the dream state. Imagine the possibilities, confronting fears, exploring creative ideas, or simply enjoying the freedom to fly through the sky. Let's explore the power of dream interpretation through another example. Mark, a businessman, often dreamt of climbing a mountain but never reaching the top. He felt frustrated and stuck in his waking life. With guidance, he realized the mountain symbolized his career ambitions. The repeated inability to reach the summit reflected his self-doubt. Once he addressed these feelings, Mark began to make bold decisions, ultimately achieving success he had never thought possible. Dreams can also serve as a bridge to deeper spiritual experiences. In many spiritual traditions, dreams are seen as a connection to higher realms. Tibetan Buddhism, for instance, teaches the practice of dream yoga, where the dreamer becomes fully aware within the dream and uses it as a path to enlightenment. Even if you're not on a spiritual quest, embracing the idea that dreams carry wisdom can open your mind to new perspectives. Have you ever dreamt of a loved one who has passed away? Many believe these dreams are visits from the other side, offering comfort and guidance. Whether or not you interpret them this way, such dreams often bring peace and a sense of closure. They remind us of the enduring connections we have with those we love. Remember, dreams are deeply personal. The same symbol can mean different things to different people. A snake, for example, might represent fear for one person, but transformation and healing for another. This is why it's essential to reflect on your own feelings and experiences when interpreting a dream. If you find it challenging to analyze your dreams, consider working with a therapist or joining a dream interpretation group. Sharing your dreams and hearing others' perspectives can provide new insights. Sometimes an outside viewpoint helps uncover layers of meaning you might overlook. Dreams are not just about understanding the past, they are also tools for shaping your future. Visualization exercises, where you imagine your goals as if they are already achieved, can be amplified by your dreams. Before sleeping, think about your aspirations. Let's say you dream of starting a new business. Visualize yourself confidently taking the steps needed to make it a reality. Your dreams may offer unexpected ideas or solutions. Take action on the wisdom your dreams provide. If your dream shows you a path, follow it. If it highlights a fear, face it. Every dream is an opportunity for growth. Trust in the process, and remember that your subconscious mind is always working in your favor. As we reach the end of this journey through the world of dreams, I want to remind you of their incredible power. Dreams are not just stories we tell ourselves at night. They are keys to unlocking the doors of our potential. By understanding and embracing them, you can transform your life in ways you never imagined. Before we part, let's make a promise. Tonight, when you lay your head on the pillow, think about the wisdom waiting to reveal itself in your dreams. Open your heart and mind to the messages they carry. And when you wake up, don't forget to write them down. If you've enjoyed this video and found it inspiring, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into the mysteries of the mind and soul. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Tell us about a dream that changed your life, or a symbol that keeps appearing to you. Let's create a community of dreamers who support and inspire each other. Thank you for watching. Remember, your dreams are a bridge to your true self. Embrace them, learn from them, and let them guide you. Until next time, may your nights be filled with clarity and your days with purpose.